In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and open the Payroll area. From any screen, look for the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Payroll Settings. In the Payroll Settings page, find the section labeled Form W-2 Printing. Click the pencil or edit icon to change how your W-2s will print. Select plain paper as your format. This tells QuickBooks to produce complete scannable W-2 forms that can be printed on regular letter size paper, so you don't need pre-printed forms. Click Save and then click Done to lock in those printing preferences. Next, head back to Payroll Overview so we can generate the forms. Open the Taxes tab, then choose Payroll Tax. Inside the Payroll Tax Center, find Resources and select Setup Forms. In the list of available forms, choose W-2 copies A and D. Copy A is the employer filing copy for the Social Security Administration, and copy D is for your records. QuickBooks will prepare a PDF for these copies based on your payroll data. Click View and Print. Your browser will open a PDF viewer with the W-2 package. If a new tab doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for QuickBooks. Before sending it to the printer, glance through a page to confirm names, addresses, and totals look right, and that the year shown matches the forms you intend to file. When you're ready, use the print icon in the PDF viewer or Adobe Reader to send the document to your printer. For best results, print at 100% scale, portrait orientation, and on plain white paper. If your printer asks about paper size, choose letter and avoid any fit-to-page options that could shift the boxes. If you're printing multiple employees at once, consider printing a single page first to check alignment before running the full batch. Keep the printed copy A separate for filing and mailing as required, and retain copy D with your payroll records. That's all there is to it. Set W-2s to plain paper printing, navigate to payroll tax resources, open W-2 copies A and D, view the PDF, and print using your viewer's print button. Pause and replay any section as needed, and when you're done, store those printed forms securely